AI टेक्स्ट प्रॉम्प्ट्स और इमेजेस से 3D सीन बनाना अब पॉसिबल ही नहीं बल्कि काफ़ी इजी भी है। हाय एवरीवन, मैं हूं मोहम्मद शादाब, एक 3D जर्नलिस्ट और क्रिएटिव एजुकेटर, और वेलकम है आप सबका ड्रामंत्रम एकेडमी के चैनल पे। यहाँ हम क्रिएटिव टूल्स ऐसे सीखते हैं जैसे प्रोफेशनल्स उन्हें यूज़ करते हैं, स्टेप बाय स्टेप, प्रैक्टिकली और बिना किसी अननेसेसरी कॉम्प्लेक्सिटी के। ड्रामंत्रम एकेडमी क्रिएटिव्स के लिए एक ऐसा लर्निंग स्पेस है जहाँ हम सिर्फ सॉफ्टवेयर यूज़ करना नहीं बल्कि क्रिएटिव थिंकिंग बिल्ड करना सिखाते हैं। वी फोकस ऑन मेकिंग द बिगिनर टू प्रोफेशनल जर्नी क्लियर, स्ट्रक्चर्ड एंड प्रैक्टिकल। ऑलराइट, अब क्रिएटिव लर्निंग स्टार्ट करते हैं। आज हम सीखेंगे कि एक AI इमेज से ब्लेंडर में कैसे पूरा एक 3D सीन बना सकते हैं, इंक्लूडिंग बेसिक मॉडलिंग, मिक्स एमओ में रिगिंग एंड देन फाइनली सीन को रेंडर रेडी कैसे बनाना है। अगर आप बिगिनर हो तो भी बहुत इजीली फॉलो कर पाओगे। हम हर स्टेप का सिर्फ प्रोसेस नहीं बल्कि रीजन समझेंगे। ऑलराइट, सबसे पहले हम लोग गूगल पर जाके टाइप करेंगे जेमिनाई एंड सबसे पहला लिंक क्लिक करेंगे। आई ऑलरेडी हैव माई लॉगिन। इसमें हम लोग इमेज जनरेट करने के लिए प्रॉम्प्ट टाइप करेंगे एंड क्लिक ऑन क्रिएट इमेज। विल टाइप a 5-year-old boy wearing a yellow raincoat on a white background. We'll define a style. We'll give it a 3D cartoon style. प्रॉम्प्ट जितना डिटेल्ड होगा उतना ही ज़्यादा अच्छा रिजल्ट मिलेगा हमें। अभी इमेज जनरेट हो रहा है। This looks nice. Let's click on the image. Yes, this is beautiful. We'll download this image. Now, अब हम लोग इसी तरह से अपने बाकी 3D assets के लिए images जनरेट करेंगे। We'll type create a cute 3D bus stop in a 3D cartoon style render on a white background. White background because हमारी इमेज की सिल्हूट एकदम क्लियर होनी चाहिए। It is again generating. Yes, this looks nice. Very cartoonish, simple and beautiful. We'll download this image. Similarly, हम लोग अब बाकी foliage and assets generate करेंगे। We'll now make a tree. We'll type in a cute tree in a cartoon 3D style render and press enter. Image is being created again. Yes, this is a very beautiful tree and very matching with our style. We'll download this. To maintain the consistency, we'll copy this prompt and paste it here, and we'll change this tree word with rock and grass. And click here, and the image is being generated. Yes, this looks better. We'll download this image. Now, let's generate some bushes. This looks nice, but I feel the flowers are looking a little big. So we can give it a try again and generate a different image. We'll change the prompt a little. This looks much better. We'll download this image. Now, in a new tab, we'll type Rodin and click this first link. This website opens. Now we'll click on login and we can use our email address to login, but I'm going to sign in with Google. We are now logged in. Now we'll click on this plus icon and navigate where our image is saved, and we'll upload this image. After this, we'll click on generate. This will take some time to generate the model. And here we have it. Lovely. This is looking good. But you see these buttons? We want a character to be in T-pose, and which will help us in rigging. So we'll click on T-pose and symmetrical. And then click on redo. This will take a bit time. And there you have it. We have our character in T-pose. T-pose is very helpful in rigging the character. We'll rotate it to check from all the sides. After we are satisfied with the character, we'll click on confirm to create the mesh. Yes. Now the 3D mesh is ready. We'll rotate to check from all the sides. But right now we do not have any textures on this character. Rodin can use the same image to create materials for this model. We can click on this button. We have some settings here, but we'll keep it as it is and click on generate. It will again take some time to build the textures and shaders. Alright, it is ready now. Wow, just look at this. It looks exactly like the image we gave it. There's a little bit problem on the mouth, but this is workable in our case. Down here we have a few 3D formats in which we can download our model. We have OBJ, we have FBX, GLB, USDs and STL. You can also share this model on Sketchfab, but for our purpose, we'll click on download. Oops, we have some problem. Okay, we need to confirm the shaders first. Yes. We'll choose FBX and click on download. It is compiling the shaders, and after some time, we have our download ready and we have the files ready. Rodin gives us a zipped folder. We'll unzip this folder and go inside and check for all the assets. It has given us FBX models and some images as textures. We have color, we have roughness, and we have normal map. That looks good. Now we'll go ahead and proceed with all other assets. First, let's start with the bus stop. We'll click on this plus icon, upload the image of the bus stop. When the image is loaded, we'll click on generate. It will take some time, and there you have the bus stop model. Have a look around. This looks good. The geometry looks clean. Now we'll click on confirm to create the mesh. And there हमारा mesh ready है. Now we'll apply the materials using the same image. Click on generate, leave the settings as it is and click generate. The textures are being generated. And there it is. हमारे shaders और textures ready हैं and it's looking very beautiful. We'll click on confirm to apply all the textures. And then we'll click on the FVX and we'll proceed to download the model. And our download is ready. Let's start with the tree. We'll upload the image and click generate. We'll confirm. You have the mesh ready. Now we'll proceed to materials. Click on generate. Very nice. We have the tree ready. We'll confirm the textures and click on download. Now we'll create the model for these rocks and grass. We'll upload the image and again click on generate. We have the rock model ready. We'll confirm this to create the mesh. The mesh is ready. We'll click on materials. The materials are ready. Click on confirm and click download to download this asset. Use FBX and click on download to download this asset. Now let's proceed to create the bushes. Again, we'll select the bushes image. Image is uploaded. Click on generate. Mesh is ready. Now the materials. Click on generate materials. And beautiful. We have these beautiful bushes ready. Confirm the textures. Choose FBX from the options and click on download. Now we have all the assets created and downloaded. Now for our character, we need to create a rig in order to animate this. For this, in a new tab, type mix ammo. Scroll down and we have this link. We'll click on this link to open this website. We'll click on login. Here also you can log in with your email or click on continue with Google. Now we are logged in and we can see the website of Mixamo. Here we have a lot of animations like walking, running, jumping, and also we have a lot of different characters as you can see. But since we already have our character, we'll click on this button, upload character. Click on select files. We'll navigate to our folder and select our model for the character. The character is being uploaded. Here you can see our character. We'll just rotate and check this character. Since it's symmetrical and in T-pose, it will be very easy for us to rig this. We'll click on next. Now, this is a very important part. It gives us some markers. We can place this on our character accordingly, and it will automatically generate a rig. We'll start with the chin, place it here. For these double markers, you can see we can place it with symmetry. We only need to place one. We only need to place on one side. We'll place on elbows, then knees, and then groin in the middle. Here in this drop down menu, you can see we have some options. For our case, we'll choose no fingers because our character has no fingers, right? We'll click on next, and Mixamo will take some time to generate a rig. There you have it. This looks so awesome. Amazing. We can rotate this viewport to check from all the sides. Click on next. Now you can see our character on this viewport on this side. We'll go to animations and we'll find some good animation to test it. Let's search for walk animation. Scroll down and let's select this one. We'll click on it and you can see the character walking. Right now it's moving forward. If we click on in place, the character will walk on a single spot. You can see this animation is cyclic. Here are some options. We can test these. Overdrive, increasing overdrive increases the speed of walking, and decreasing it will slow down the animation. You can also adjust the character arm space. This gives a different personality to the walk. You can also shorten or increase the length of the animation. Let's just check a few more animations. This is really amazing. We can test a lot of different animations. Let's search for idle animation. Double click this. Now the same animation is applied on a character. Alright, enough playing. We'll choose the animation we want. Let's again search for walk. Click in place button and we'll slightly try to adjust character arm space. Now when you click on this download button, it gives some options like the format you want to download, with skin or without skin. With skin gives the mesh and without skin only gives the skeletal animation. You can also choose the frame rates, 25, 60 or 30. We'll click on this download. It will take some time to download. And we have the download ready. Alright, let's jump into Blender. We'll open Blender and सबसे पहले we'll delete this cube and default light. Now we'll go to file menu और click करेंगे import button पे and choose FBX. We'll navigate to our folder and in our folder and choose this file. There you have it. हमने अपना bus stop import कर लिया है. इस third sphere पे click करके we'll go in the material shading view. Wow, just look at it. हमारा कंप्लीट बस स्टॉप मॉडल हमारे पास ब्लेंडर में रेडी है। सिमिलरली विल गो अहेड एंड इंपोर्ट आवर अदर एसेट्स। अभी हम लोग अपना ट्री इंपोर्ट कर लेंगे। लवली। इसको थोड़ा सा साइड में मूव करके विल स्केल दिस डाउन अ लिटिल, थोड़ा सा बढ़ाइए। थोड़ा सा इधर पीछे शिफ्ट कर देते हैं इसे। बस नाउ लेट्स इंपोर्ट आवर बुशेस फोल्डर में जाके विल क्लिक ऑन दिस फाइल। अगेन इसको थोड़ा सा छोटा कर लेंगे, S for scale and G and X to move this on the side. Now we'll import our rock. Navigate to the folder, click on this file and click import. थोड़ा सा scale down कर देंगे with S and we'll move this on this side. Now अभी हम लोग एक फुटपाथ क्रिएट करेंगे। We'll click on this add cube button. We'll create a flat rectangular cube in the shape of a footpath. इसको थोड़ा सा नीचे ले आएंगे। Now we'll click on this material button and click new. We'll add a material, give it a color similar to our bus stop gray. And let's pick the color from here. Now we'll create a plane for our road. को थोड़ा सा आगे ले आएंगे, नीचे पुल करेंगे एंड देन एस प्रेस करके एक्स प्रेस करेंगे एंड स्केल करके वी हैव अ रोड। अगेन इस पे भी मटेरियल अप्लाई करेंगे। विल गिव इट अ स्लाइटली ब्लू डार्कर ग्रे, थोड़ा सा रिफ्लेक्टिव बना देंगे बाय रिड्यूसिंग द रफनेस। तो अभी आगे बढ़ने से पहले हम एक कैमरा सेटअप कर लेते हैं फॉर आवर सीन। विल क्लिक ऑन दिस कैमरा आइकन, प्रेस एन, गो इन द व्यू मेन्यू, क्लिक ऑन कैमरा टू व्यू। अभी हम लोग अपने कैमरे को नेविगेट करके फ्रेमिंग कर सकते हैं। This looks like a good framing. थोड़ा सा कैमरा को ऊपर करेंगे। अब इस कैमरा फ्रेमिंग के अकॉर्डिंग हम लोग इस सीन को और पॉपुलेट करेंगे बाय डुप्लीकेटिंग सम एसेट्स। क्लिक ऑन द ट्री, प्रेस शिफ्ट D and move on this axis. We'll select rock, slightly bring it up, select our bushes, we'll press shift D and create a duplicate and place it here. इसको थोड़ा सा रोटेशन दे देंगे to create some differentiation. एक और डुप्लीकेट ले लेंगे, place here, एक बुशेस यहाँ पे प्लेस कर देंगे। जितना ज़्यादा डुप्लीकेट्स लेंगे उतना ज़्यादा हमारा सीन डेंस हो जाएगा। We'll duplicate this tree. इसको थोड़ा सा डिफरेंट लगने के लिए we'll rotate this. Again take a duplicate and place it here और थोड़ा सा रोटेट कर देंगे। कैमरा थोड़ा सा एडजस्ट कर लेते हैं। Now we'll go ahead and import our character. We'll navigate to the folder. We have this animation downloaded from Mixamo here in this folder. We'll import this. इस कैरेक्टर का साइज अभी काफी ज्यादा बड़ा है and also इस पे टेक्सचर्स नहीं है अभी. Create a new shader by clicking new. Now in base color, click on this dot and choose image. Folder में navigate करके we'll select this image. अभी हमारे मॉडल पे टेक्सचर आ गया है. Same will do for the roughness and select this roughness map. Wow, this looks nice. Now we'll select this armature. Press S to scale this down. We'll try to match the size according to the bus stand. Now we'll move our character on the road on this side. Camera view में देखेंगे. Here you can see all the animation keys for this animation. इस एनिमेशन को एक्सटेंड करने के लिए आर्मेचर को सेलेक्ट करके we'll select all the animation keys and press Ctrl C to copy and go on the last frame and press Ctrl V to paste. We'll again Ctrl V, paste, and just one more time paste. Now हम लोग अपना end time select कर लेंगे as 125 frames. Now when you hit play now, you can see the character continuously walking with our repeated animation. But अभी character सिर्फ एक ही जगह पे walk कर रहा है. We'll need to animate this armature from one place to another. Select the armature and in the object properties, we'll click on this diamond shape button on location X. इससे हमारी location पे की लग जाएगी. And then we'll go on the last frame and अपने character को G and X press करके last frame पे move करेंगे. First frame पे थोड़ा सा पीछे कर देंगे and then last frame पे इसको यहां तक ले आएंगे. Now when we press play, wow, now you can see our character walking from one place to another. Similarly हम अपने कैमरे को सेलेक्ट करके थोड़ा सा सटल एनिमेशन देने के लिए Y पे की लगाएंगे. फर्स्ट फ्रेम पे यहाँ पे की लगाएंगे. We'll go to the last frame and Y में थोड़ा सा मूव करेंगे. Press G and Y to slightly move the camera. This will give very subtle animation to our camera. Now let's hit play and see. Nice, this looks good. Now हमने पूरा composition बना लिया, हमने कैमरा सेटअप कर लिया, हमारा कैरेक्टर अच्छे से मूव कर रहा है, हमने कैमरे में एनिमेशन डाला है. Now we'll proceed to lighting. Click on this fourth button, that is the rendered mode. Again scene में you can see it's all dark. We'll go to lights, choose sunlight. सन को थोड़ा सा ऊपर मूव करेंगे and we'll rotate. You see, इस लाइट को रोटेट करते ही you can see the changes in the shadow. We'll rotate in Z axis and now we'll go in this world tab and click on this color button and choose white color. इससे सीन की ब्राइटनेस काफी ज्यादा बढ़ जाएगी. You can also reduce this strength to 0.5 or 2.7. Let's keep it 0.7. You can see the difference material mode में and then lighting mode में. We have a very good lighting now. Let's play. This is looking good. Now let's proceed to rendering. We'll click on this render engine button. Rendering के लिए हमारे पास दो ऑप्शंस हैं, EV या cycles. For our purpose, we'll go with cycles. पहले हम लोग एक सिंगल फ्रेम रेंडर करके देखते हैं. We'll go in the render menu and click on render image. Cycle renders takes a little bit time. There you have it. Very clean and amazing looking render. Alright, हमने render test कर लिया है. Now हम लोग अपनी पूरी animation को render करेंगे. For this, we'll go in the render output settings. Scroll down, click on this folder button to choose a location for our renders, and here we'll give it a name, Boy on a Bus Stop. Now from the file format, click on this drop down and select FFmpeg video. In encoding, we'll select MPEG-4. This is nothing but MP4 version of the video. Now in the render menu, click on render animation. और हमारा render start हो गया है. Obviously this will take a little bit time depending on your system.
एंड दैट्स ऑल. अगर इस वीडियो ने आपको चीज़ें ज़्यादा क्लियरली समझने में हेल्प की है या थोड़ा सा भी कंफ्यूजन कम हुआ है तो प्लीज़ लाइक द वीडियो. इससे मुझे पता चलता है कि अप्रोच काम कर रहा है. अगर आप बिगिनर हो तो कमेंट्स में बताओ सबसे कंफ्यूजिंग पार्ट कौन सा लगा. और अगर अपनी क्रिएटिव जर्नी स्टार्ट करना चाहते हो या अपने क्रिएटिव टैलेंट को अपस्किल करना चाहते हो तो प्लीज़ विजिट आवर वेबसाइट का लिंक आई शेयर इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन. कीप लर्निंग, कीप ग्रोइंग. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में.